A critical question for every salaried professional. Is your employer contributing the correct amount to your retirement fund? A historically legal method may have cost you lakhs. This is about your rights under a new legislative framework that has permanently altered employee compensation in India. The past, a system of compliant underpayment. Previously, companies structured salaries with a small basic pay and large allowances. Your provident fund was calculated only on that small basic portion. This practice minimized the employer's liability and severely limited the growth of your retirement corpus. The present, the Code on Wages 2019. This era is over. The Code on Wages introduces the landmark 50% rule. The law now stipulates that cumulative allowances, HRA, travel, special, etc., cannot exceed 50% of your total remuneration. If they do, the excess amount must be legally added to your core wage for all statutory calculations, including your PF. Practical application. Salary examples. Example 1. Total salary 50,000 rupees. Non-compliant structure. Basic 20,000 rupees, allowances 30,000 rupees, 60%. Legal mandate. The excess allowance of 5,000 rupees is added to the core wage. New compliant core wage for PF 25,000 rupees. Example 2. Total salary 1 lakh rupees. Non-compliant structure, basic 40,000 rupees, allowances 60,000 rupees, 60%. Legal mandate, the excess allowance of 10,000 rupees is added to the core wage. New compliant core wage for PF 50,000 rupees. Example 3. Total salary 2 lakh rupees. Non-compliant structure, basic 75,000 rupees, allowances 1,25,000 rupees, 62.5%. Legal mandate, the excess allowance of 25,000 rupees is added to the core wage. New compliant core wage for PF 1 lakh rupees. The financial impact on you. While this restructuring may marginally decrease your monthly take-home salary, it is a mandatory high-growth investment in your future. The increased PF contribution is now on a supercharged track of tax-free, compounded growth, building a substantially larger retirement fund for you. Further legal protections under the Code. 1. Equal remuneration. The Code legally demolishes the gender pay gap, mandating equal total remuneration for men and women performing the same work. 2. Overtime pay. You are legally entitled to be paid at twice the normal rate of wages for every hour of overtime worked. The verdict, a transfer of power. The new wage code represents a significant transfer of power to the employee. It enforces transparency and compels employers to make fair and legal contributions to your financial future. Your action. Conduct the #Salary Legal Audit Challenge. 1. Retrieve your payslip. Check your basic and total remuneration figures. 2. Perform the 50% check. If allowances exceed 50% of your total pay, your employer is legally obligated to increase your core wage and consequently your PF contribution. 3. Share this knowledge. This is not just a video, it is a movement for financial and legal literacy. Knowledge is power. Subscribe for more.